What's going on, guys? It's your boy Joe. Welcome back to a new video again today. As you can see, I got the G right behind me with the fresh color and everything. We're gonna go ahead, take it to its very first car meet today. But first, as you can see, it's pretty dirty if you ask me. But let's go ahead, head over to the car wash real quick, clean this bad baby up.
One eternity later.
We got a nice little clean little Supra over here. Check that out. Full out carbon underneath the hood. That's clean in a mug. This sucker is mint. Nice little wide body S2K. Check out this beast right here. Got an Aston Martin SUV right here. See? Still got the same color. Check this out. Oh, that bad baby is beautiful. Check out this Audi bag. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Very unique but clean wrap right there. A little charger. I'm assuming it's a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. One of those. That's pretty clean. That's unique. Check out this clean Lexus. I was actually thinking about doing something like that on the G. That's actually pretty darn clean right there. Look at that. With the white wheels, the compliments are very good. Yo, is it just me or these Miatas be looking like they smiling all the time? Look at that. These Miatas are always smiling. Nice little Nismo. We got another Supra right here. Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Let's see if this is an auto or a manual. Oh no, it's a manual. It's a manual. I think Supras always look weird without the wing. But look at that. Dude, I'd prefer the wing on it though. We got the Hulk right here. Dude, you can see my reflection in that bad baby. I can take a selfie in that bad baby though. Yes sir, probably my favorite car in here. Look at that. Yes sir. Check out that C8 over there. Dude, that color with the black accents, that's actually nice. Mark 5 Supra. Yo, we're gonna get one of these in the future, watch. I promise you. If not, we'll get one of these.
What?
My old rims are on this little Honda Accord right now. Previous owner traded him for some other wheels, so now this dude's rocking my wheels. Not bad, not bad. The rear of this Supra looks so aggressive. We got Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut G right here. Yes, sir. Got a whole bunch of Mercedes out here, AMGs. What y'all guys think about that? Would y'all pick this over a Lamborghini? Let me know down in the comments down below. Nice little R8 running in. Woo. That's clean. Yes, sir. Little OBS action right here. I'm trying to get an OBS, but I ain't trying to slam it that much. That's a little bit too slam. But that's still pretty clean though. Look at this bad baby. Look at the extra right here on the side. Okay. There's another Supra. There's a whole bunch of Supras out here tonight. I'm telling you, it looks better with that wing though. Look at that. Check out this truck. Mama Lona car. Brand new truck is clean. Probably one of the cleanest MR2s I've seen in person. My boy got Chucky on top of his car. If I get a Porsche, I probably got one exactly like this. This same spec and everything. Look at that. tonight. Here's a closer up of the Aston Martin I was showing y'all guys earlier. Would y'all pick an Aston Martin SUV or the Urus SUV? Y'all let me know. Super ski on some reps though. Wide body WRX. Another Supra. How many Supras are so far in this video so far? Yo, a little slam van. That actually is clean. Okay, okay. We should bring a van to the channel and have a van project. Look at that. Oh, these little 240s clean. Look at that. On some worky quits though. Okay. And just like that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because we're going to be posting a lot more G content. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.